Bye.
So, me and Frank were just talking to each other, and he's got a story to share. Go ahead, honey.
I do?
Yeah, you know the one that you were just telling me. Come on.
Hi.
No, come on. Don't be shy.
No, I don't. You look all weird. Your face looks all weird.
That's not very nice to say.
I'm just saying.
Oh, Frank. Well, tell him how long we've been married.
10 years. 5 years.
No,
5 years.
honey, we've been married for 35 years?
Yeah, I forget.
Our anniversary's coming up.
Yeah, that's true.
How can you forget our anniversary? It's the best day of your life. Why are you laughing?
No, it is. You know me so well.
Okay, well, Eunice is coming up to visit this weekend, so Eunice and I will make a video. Talk to you guys later.